Integer data type is a numeric data type in Python which represents the data that has a numeric value. Integers represent positive or negative whole numbers and 0 without fractions or decimals. Examples 25, minus 55, 0, etc. Arbitrary precision. Unlike many other programming languages that limit integers to a fixed size like 32-bit or 64-bit, Python integer type is of arbitrary precision. Python supports arbitrary precision integers, meaning there is no fixed limit on the size of an integer. Python integers can be as large as the available memory permits. Calculations can be performed with very large numbers without worrying about overflow. The integer data type is represented by the class int. For example, passing an integer value to the type function will return a class int. When you create an integer, Python automatically creates an int object to represent that value. An integer object is an instance of the int class. There are three ways to create an integer object: literal representation, arithmetic expression, or int function. Literal representation. When you need to use integer numbers in the code, you will often use integer literals directly. Integer literals are constant values of integers. For example, 10, minus 5, 0, etc. To create an integer object using integer literals, assign a value to a variable. For example, a equal to 10, etc. To create negative integers, you need to prepend the minus sign to the number. For example, b equal to minus 5. Type checking. You can check if an object is an integer using the isInstance function. IsInstance function returns true if the specified object is of the specified type, otherwise false. For example, isInstance function checks whether a is an instance of the class int and returns true. When using long integers, you can use underscore as a separator to make the integer literals readable. For example, here the underscore is used as thousand separator. When printed, the underscore is removed. Multiple representations. The numeric value of an integer can be written in different number systems or formats. A number can be expressed in decimal base 10, binary base 2, octal base 8, hexadecimal base 16, etc. Despite these different ways of writing the same integer, Python stores the numeric value in the same way internally. Decimal base 10. In Python, the standard base for number is decimal, which is base 10 representation. This means that when you assign or print an integer, by default, it's in decimal format. Binary numbers base 2. A binary number is a number expressed in the base 2 number systems. Binary numbers are represented by only two symbols or digits, that is 0 and 1. To specify that the integer is represented as a binary number, it needs to be prefixed by 0 followed by lower or uppercase b. To represent an integer in binary form, declare it directly as a literal. For example, 0b101 is a binary number 101. The decimal equivalent of binary number 101 is 5. When you print the value, Python converts it to default string representation, which is in decimal format, so 5 is printed. Type function returns a int. Octal numbers base 8. An octal number is a number expressed in the base 8 number system. An octal number is represented by 8 digits 0 to 7. To specify that the integer is represented as an octal number, it needs to be prefixed by 0 followed by lower or uppercase O. To represent an integer in octal form, declare it directly as a literal. For example, 00107 is an octal number 107. The decimal equivalent of octal number 107 is 71. Hexadecimal numbers. A hexadecimal number is a number expressed in base 16 number system. These are 16 symbols in the hexadecimal number system. They are 0 to 9 and A to F. The first 10 digits are the same as decimal digits. The alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F are equivalents of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 respectively. Upper or lower cases may be used for these letter symbols. To specify that the integer is represented as a hexadecimal number, it needs to be prefixed by 0 followed by a lower or uppercase X. To represent an integer in hexadecimal form, declare it directly as literal. Decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number A2 is 162. Integers can be created using an arithmetic expression. Integer values are generated dynamically based on mathematical expressions, from simple calculations to more elaborate algorithms. Any expression evaluating to an integer will create an integer. For example, here 3 plus 2 evaluates to 5, which is an integer. Arithmetic expressions are not limited to literals. They can include variables, function calls, or more complex expressions. We can use the int function to create an integer. The int function in Python is used to create or convert various data types into integers. This is the syntax. Value, any numeric string or number to be converted into an integer. Defaults to 0 if no value is provided. Base, the base of the number in the string. 2 for binary, 8 for octal, 10 for decimal, 16 for hexadecimal. The default value is 10 decimal numbers. Calling int function without any arguments returns 0. Here are a few examples of int function with a single argument. In this example, a floating point number is converted to an integer using the int function. The decimal part is truncated rather than rounding. So both int 3.01 and 3.99 will return 3. In this example, the int function is used to convert the string 42 into an integer. The int function raises a value error if the string is non-numeric string. For example, if you try to convert 42a to an integer, it will give a value error. Binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers can be converted to integers using the int function in two ways. The first method is passing the literals directly to the int function. These are used when you want to hard code the values. For example, pass the binary literal 0b101 directly to the int function. The prefix 0b tells Python the number is written in binary form, so 0b101 is directly interpreted as the integer 5. It doesn't need any conversion beyond confirming the type since it's already an integer. Similarly, octal and hexadecimal numbers can be passed to the int function. The second way is the string form with a base. This is used to convert strings representing binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers to integer. The first argument must be a string. The second argument specifies the base of the number in the string. For example, to convert a binary number to an integer, pass the second argument as 2. Here 101 is a string that represents a number in base 2. The second argument 2 tells int function that the string should be interpreted as a binary base 2 number. Python interprets the string as a binary number and converts it to its integer value. To convert an octal number, pass 8 and for hexadecimal, pass 16 as second argument. Convert integers to binary. You can easily convert an integer to its binary representation using the bin function. This function returns the binary representation of the number as a string prefixed with 0b, which indicates that it is a binary number. If you want only the binary digits, you can strip off the 0b prefix using slice notation to remove the first two characters. For negative numbers, the negative sign is placed before the 0b prefix. To convert integers to octal, use the OCT function, and to convert to hexadecimal, use the hex function. Python has no limit to how long an integer value can be. By default, Python limits the number of digits in a string representation of an integer to 4300. The integer value is converted to a string when it is printed. For a long integer, you can get a value error when you try to print it. For example, this expression will give a value error. You can change this limit using this system attribute where n is the new maximum number of digits you want to allow. Setting n to 0 disables the limit. Be cautious when disabling or increasing the limit. While it might be necessary for certain applications, it can also open your system to potential security risks. The INT type has a few built-in methods and attributes which can be useful. These are instance methods, so they must be called on an INT object or using the INT type with an integer argument. As integer ratio. This method returns a tuple where the first element is the integer itself and the second element is 1. For example, a tuple with elements 5, 1 is returned when called on the INT object x1. Notice that this method can be called on an INT object x1 or passing the object as the argument to the method. To access an integer method on a literal, you need to wrap the literal in parentheses. The parentheses are required because the dot character also defines floating point numbers. If you don't use the parentheses, then you get a syntax error. The bit count method returns the number of ones in the binary representation of the integer. For example, the binary representation of 5 is 0b101, which has 2 ones. The bit count method returns 2. The bit length method is used to return the number of bits necessary to represent an integer in binary, excluding the sign and leading zeros. Positive numbers. For a positive integer, it returns the number of bits in its binary representation. For example, the binary representation of 5 is 0b101, which has 3 bits. The bit length method returns 3. Negative numbers. For a negative integer, bit length is computed for its absolute value, that is, as if the number is positive. So the bit length of 5 and minus 5 is the same. Bit length of 0 returns 0 because no bits are needed to represent 0. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.